everyone, it's Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in the studio, I'm going to show you how to turn off your PS4 controller on the PlayStation 4. And this is actually really easy. If you go on over to your controller, all you simply have to do is hold down the PlayStation button right here, and your controller will turn off after about 10 seconds. So you will see the light bar turn off. Just go ahead and continue to hold that down. And that's the easiest way to go ahead and just turn that off. Now you can do it through the settings, but it's not nearly as easy. If you look through the quick menu, there's no option to just turn off your controller. You have enter rest mode, restart your PS4, but nothing specifically for your controller. Unless we go on over to where it says sound/devices right here, then go to where it says turn off device. Select this, and then we can go to my DualShock 4 controller and then turn it off through the menus right there. So if you want to go ahead and save your battery life, that's another way that you can go ahead and do that. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.